On this dashboard I have a horizontal bar chart that does not have any breakdown. So I'm seeing one big bar for all of the rows of data in my data set. And to break up this bar into more details, I'm going to add text columns to these parts here. Columns, rows, items. It used to be that we had one big pill for this, but with release 2021.2 we separated them into items, rows, and columns. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take industry and drag it to items, which gives me one bar per industry value in the data set. At this point it used to be that if I wanted to split up this visualization into rows and columns, I would drag text columns directly onto these settings here. But now I also have the option of dragging them up to here. So now I'm going to drop region on the columns pill, which is equivalent to dragging it directly to this setting. Another change that was introduced with release 2021.2 is that if I want to add additional items in the stack of items here, I do that by dragging supersector to items again if I want to, and it gets added to the current breakdown hierarchy. If I want a new, completely different breakdown, I instead press this button down here, New Breakdown, which will allow me to build a completely new breakdown from scratch. For example, I can put country on items. And then to allow my users to switch between different breakdowns, I can activate shelves and show the breakdown shelf, so that my users can toggle between the country breakdown and the region industry supersector breakdown.